Hello friends, welcome back to VTV Learning. I am Vivek Tamilarasan. Today we are going to see about Power BI. Most of us have curiosity to learn about Power BI and its features. If you are among the one, then this video is for you. Let's begin. What is Power BI? Power BI is a comprehensive set of software tools, apps and connectors that transform data into interactive insights. Let me explain a little bit deeper on this. You will be able to connect or import data from various sources. Then you can transform the data into an interactive insights by applying visuals. Then once the report or dashboard is ready, you can publish it to Power BI online services. Then finally, you will be able to view it on your browser or mobile apps. Here, importing data and transforming the data into reports or dashboards, that two items will be covered under Power BI desktop. Then publishing to Power BI online services, that will be covered under online SaaS, which is software as a service. This is called as Power BI services. Then finally, you will be able to view it on mobile and browser, that will be covered under mobile Power BI apps. These three are called as Power BI core components or elements. Let's see an overview of Power BI desktop. I have opened the Power BI desktop. Initially, you will see the blank or empty screen like this. The one highlighted are called ribbon. It displays common tasks that are associated with reports and visualization. Let me open a sample dashboard created in Power BI so that you can understand better. This is the dashboard which I have created just for an example. The highlighted one is called field pane or data pane. Data imported in Power BI will be displayed on this particular pane. The main header is called table name, and when you expand that particular table, you will get the list of headers, that is nothing but the column name. And towards left, you have a visualization pane, the one which I have highlighted now. Based on the loaded data, you will be able to create visualization according to your requirement from this particular visualization pane. All you need to do is just need to select the particular visuals here and need to drag and drop the fields from data pane. Let me show you an example. I'm creating a blank page, so just need to click on any visuals like this. So once you have selected the visuals, it will be displayed a blank fields, and just drag and drop the required details. You see, it is very simple. In order to customize the chart, you just need to select the chart and click on this format your visuals. You will be getting the list of options to customize the chart. Towards left, we have three types of view. One is report view or canvas, where you will be able to view visuals like how we are viewing it right now. And you can also increase the canvas size by clicking on the format your page option. Here you will be having the canvas setting, which is nothing but the height and width of your entire dashboard. For example, if I want to add one more chart below, I can increase the height to 1200. Just an example, you can see the actual size has been increased right now. So likewise, you can add n number of charts below and increase your canvas size as well. The next one is table view. Just click on this table icon towards left. So you can see the table view of data table which I have highlighted right now, and if you click on attendance table, you will see the attendance data in a table way. Third one is a model view. You will see each table in a separate box along with column name. Here you will be able to create connection between two tables by enabling cardinality like this. Once I hover the mouse on this arrow mark, you can see the relationship between both tables are highlighted. Date is the column name which have been interconnected between two tables. Like this, we can interconnect all the tables that we have loaded, and based on that we can create a visuals in our report view. To make any changes, you just need to double click on the arrow mark so that you will get the option to change the relationship. The relationship is also called as cardinality. By default, the relationship will be applied automatically based on the header name. If you have similar name between both the tables, it automatically get applied to the respective tables. Moving back to report view, towards bottom you can see a plus symbol similar to Excel. You can create multiple tabs by clicking on the plus button, and if you want a duplicate tab of the same page, you just right click on the tab and create a duplicate page. That's it. In order to enable or disable any panes towards right, you just need to click on view, then click on the respective panes. So if I unselect filter, then it will go away, and if I click on bookmark, I'll get additional pages added. You can also collapse the pane by clicking on this double arrow mark like this, and if you want to enable it, just click on the same double arrow mark. Another important thing is like mobile layout. The layout which we are seeing is applicable only for browser. If you want to see it in mobile version, for example Power BI mobile apps, which is available on Android, Windows and iOS, for that you can customize the layout by clicking on mobile layout. Once you click on mobile layout, you will get a screen like this, and you just need to drag and drop the visuals so that you will be able to view the same visuals on your mobile. To get back from the mobile layout, just click on the same mobile layout again. The screen will get you back to the previous report view. In the upcoming video, we will dive more deeply into each of the following topics: importing data into Power BI, create reports and dashboards, and how we can publish it to online. Okay, once the dashboard is ready, you need to save the dashboard. To publish the report in online, you need to click on publish button that is available in home tab. Consider this as my dashboard, and I'm going to publish that into my workspace so that I can share it with my colleagues or the person whomever I require. Once you click on publish, you will get an option like this, and you need to select the workspace by clicking on the workspace and click select. Since I have already loaded this particular report, it's just asking me to replace it. I'm just clicking on replace. That's it. I got the link to view it in browser. I'm clicking on the link. The dashboard has been opened in browser, you can see, and if I click any name, it automatically gets updated. Here you have to note, when you save the file in Power BI desktop, you will see only one file which contains .pbix extension like this, but when you upload the same file in online, it will be converted into two types of file like this. One is for visuals and another one is dataset. You can see a dataset is called as semantic model. It contains entire dataset that we have imported to create dashboard. In other way, It is a collection of data that Power BI uses to create visualization. You can also provide access to the dashboard by clicking on this three dot in visual and click on manage permission. You can click add link and you just need to add the name whom you want to provide access. Post that, just click send button so that the user will get automated email from Power BI along with the link to open this particular dashboard. That's it. We have covered the basic fundamentals of Power BI. I hope that everyone have an idea about the basics of Power BI now. If you have any doubt or request, please do mention in comments. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, and to watch upcoming video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.